Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to create break line. So if you want to break line in Google Sheet, you can type Control, hold and then plus enter. So as example, I will type Mufasuket and you can press Control, hold and then press enter to create the break line. I will type again, channel. Then press Ctrl and then press Enter. Set into Google. Backline again, and I will set into a sheet. You done? You can press Enter. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to break line. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.